Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and OpenVPN. So let's get started with a quick analysis. ExpressVPN is a built VPN service offering a fast speed, strong security, and a user-friendly experience with app for all devices. It comes with a wide server network, easy setup, and extra features like splitting tunneling and a streaming support, making it great for everyday users who want a privacy and a simplicity. Talking about OpenVPN on the other hand is an open VPN protocol, not a VPN service itself. It's highly secure and flexible, used by many VPN providers, including ExpressVPN, to protect data, while OpenVPN offers a strong encryption and customization. It requires more technical knowledge to set up and isn't a standalone app or service. And here's the overall conclusion. So if you want a ready-to-use VPN with a great features, ExpressVPN is the best choice. So if you are tech savvy and want to build or customize your own VPN setup, OpenVPN as a protocol is ideal, but you will need a VPN service or a server to use it, and that's it.